Want to keep up with every NFL game while you're traveling? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can watch NFL Sunday Ticket while traveling. First, you want to grab your phone, tablet, or laptop and make sure you've got a stable internet connection. Hotel Wi-Fi, public hotspots, or even your mobile data will work. Now open the NFL Sunday Ticket app or go to the Sunday Ticket website. Now sign into your account and you have access to live games, replays, and highlights wherever you are. If you're traveling internationally, you may hit a blackout wall. Sunday Ticket is only available in supported regions. To get around this, you want to use a reliable VPN. For that, open up your App Store or Play Store, then tap on the search bar. Now type VPN. Here you will find lots of options. You can select whichever you prefer. Now you want to set your location back to US, then log in as usual. If you want bigger screen, just connect your device to a hotel TV or monitor using HDMI, AirPlay or Chromecast, and you can stream Sunday Ticket like you're at home. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.